DirectFix.com presents the BlackBerry Bold 9000 Take-Apart Directions. Warning, this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You're using these video directions and its content at your own risk. AX Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or condition of any kind, express or implied. Following these directions on this video will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. Be sure to visit us on the web at DirectFix.com for all your parts and accessory needs. At checkout, use coupon code YouTube for 5% off your first order. Turning the unit over, remove the battery cover. With the battery cover removed, now remove the battery. You're going to now remove the SIM card if it is in the slot. There are 6 screws that need to be removed using a T5 Torx. Please do that now. We're now going to remove the 6 screws. We're going to speed this up a little bit to get through it fast. Using a case opener tool available at DirectFix.com, you're now going to pry up the mid-frame plastic assembly. Using the same case opener tool, you're now going to lift up the motherboard away from the front plastics. Turn the unit over, and you're now going to lift a ribbon cable that is holding the LCD in place. Lift the ribbon cable up. Using the case opener tool, start in the corner and lift the LCD up. It is only being held on by a double-sided tape. Be careful not to break the LCD while removing it. Please be sure to click the link on the right side of the screen to take you to our website, DirectFix.com, for all your parts and accessory needs.